Orly quarterly subscription box. Y'all remember the last time I opened this box? And it was a hot mess, literally hot mess. Well, I reached out to Orly and their customer service and told them the problem that I had with the box, and I had to take pictures and download the pictures and send it to them, and they made it right. They sent me out another box. They sent me out another box, guys. So let's do this box opening, and I hope it goes well. First thing when we open the box, we have this. And it's the Hopeless Romantic Spring Collection from Orly. And I got it. The Hopeless Romantic Collection. And I got a full box, so this is, I think they call this a detailer for designing your nails. And I also got one nightstand. Last time I could not read the bottle. So, this is cool. So let's open the Hopeless Romantic and see the colors. Aren't those gorgeous? Aren't they just gorgeous? Okay, let's see what we have in the color palette. Also, it has on the back. So I'm just going to read off the back. This pretty sparkly one. It's like a light blue. I'm looking at this bottle and it does have something on it. So I think this was just the glue to hold it in place. Yeah, that's what it's a glue tab to hold it in place in the box. And the name of this one is going to be, I have it right here. The name of this one is Written in the Stars. And that's a glittery nail polish. Yeah. This is like a purplish blue glitter. And this one is Opposite Attracts. And this is also a glitter. It looks like it's purples and some reds and stuff in there, glitter. The next one we have is Serenity. And that's almost like a bluish purple. And it's also like a glitter. Wait a minute, this may be Opposite Attracts. I got that wrong. I'm sorry. This is Opposite Attracts. The other one is, this one is Serenity. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Sorry, guys. This one is like a mauve color. Let's see what it says on it. Check yes or no. This is like a mauve pink. Now I really like this color because I'm into mauves. This one is check yes or no. Hope y'all can see that. The next one is, this should be meet cute. I'm gonna look at this. Yeah, meet cute. Meet cute. It looks like a tangerine orangey color. It's called Meet Cute. I like this one also. This one's reddish color, and it's Old Darling. I'm not into reds, so this one will be given away. But it is a pretty color. So you get 6 colors in there. I don't want them to fall out. The Hopeless Romance. And I'm going to read the card. Try to hold this at the same time. An icy blue shimmer, a blushing pink cream. Opposite attracts in this dreamy spring collection. Whether you're a longing for the perfect meet cute, or wistfully daydreaming of a love that was I'm laughing, written in the stars. Hopefully romance will have you believing in love again. I'm sorry for my reading, but it's kind of tickled me because I almost put it in a poem type statement. So this is what we got in the Hopeless Romance. If you're interested in the Orly products, it is a quarterly box. I'll put the information down below. But this was my first box, so I'm happy that they made it right and sent me out a replacement box. Because like I said, my first box was a hot mess. And I'll link that video in the cards. All right, guys. Thank you for watching my unboxing of my Orly Color Pass. It's a quarterly subscription. Talk to you guys later. Bye.